Welcome to Festive Flavors. Let's learn how to prepare homemade, strong and aromatic Pav Bhaji Masala for making Pav Bhaji, the most popular street food of India. Prepare Pav Bhaji Masala at home with this method and use it to make Pav Bhaji as well as sprinkle on your sandwiches and stir-fried vegetables to make them more interesting. Please watch the video till the end to view the uses of Pav Bhaji Masala, tips and tricks and the ingredients list. Also please subscribe to the channel Festive Flavors and hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Please share it with your friends and family. Please click the like button if you like the recipe. Try it and let us know in the comment section below. Do you want to be featured on Festive Flavors? Take a picture of a recipe prepared by you from our channel and tag us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We will feature your picture and name in the upcoming videos. Let's look at the ingredients. Black pepper 2 teaspoons, coriander seeds 2 tablespoons, fennel seeds 1 tablespoon, bay leaves 1, cloves 12 to 15, cumin seeds 2 tablespoons. Black cardamom 2, cinnamon stick 1 inch piece, Kashmiri red chili powder 2 tablespoons, Amchur powder 1 tablespoon, ginger powder 2 teaspoons. Turmeric half teaspoon, black salt half teaspoon, salt half teaspoon. Let's get started. Pick and clean the whole spices. Heat a pan to medium. Now add cumin seeds. Let them roast for a minute. When you get a nice aroma, add coriander seeds, fennel seeds, black peppers, cloves, black cardamom, cinnamon stick and bay leaves. Roast them for a few minutes. Take the spices out on a plate and let it cool. Now put the roasted spices in a grinder. To this add some spice powders like Kashmiri red chili powder, ginger powder, Amchur powder, turmeric powder, black salt and table salt. Grind into a fine powder. Store the Pav Bhaji Masala powder in an airtight container and in a cool, dry place. Pav Bhaji Masala is ready to store for up to 6 months, though it will not last that long as it is that tasty. Enjoy it in bhajis, pulavs and sandwiches. Now let's look at the tips and tricks for making Pav Bhaji Masala. Clean and pick any debris from the whole spices. Dry roast on medium heat and not on high heat. Cool the ingredients before grinding. Keep it in an airtight container. Now let's look at the uses of Pav Bhaji Masala. Pav Bhaji Masala is made to give the distinct flavor in Pav Bhaji, a Maharashtrian street food. Pav Bhaji Masala can also be used to make sandwiches to give them an extra zing. It can also be used in making tawa pulao and masala pav. Use it over any dry vegetables and paneer bhurji or sprinkle over masala dosa. The link to the recipe of tomato and masala sandwich is in the description box below. Let's look at the ingredients list. The ingredients list is also given in the description box below. Please subscribe to Festive Flavors and click the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Also, share it with your family and friends. Please click the like button below if you like the recipe. Also tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Next time we will come with a new recipe. Until then, happy cooking. Namaskar.